Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You must act fast. First, stop all writes, unmount or power down the failing drive to avoid further deterioration. Once done, connect a reliable backup target via USB 3.0 or SATA that has equal or larger capacity. Make a quick smart check to capture reallocated sector count, current pending, and UDMA CRC errors so you know the symptom profile. Make sure to document model and serial. This initial containment prevents data loss and informs the next step, a read-focused recovery strategy. You will create a forensic image using a read-focused tool like diagnosing so you preserve every recoverable bit. Start with a fresh, stable host system. Launch diagnosing with a map file to log bad sectors and allow resume capability. If reads stall, reduce throughput and add retries, switch cables, or use a powered enclosure to rule out connection faults. Make sure to monitor drive temperature and kernel logs for I/O errors. Once the image completes, you'll work on file-level recovery from that cloned copy rather than the failing original. With a good image in hand, mount it read-only and operate on copies only. Never run destructive repairs on the original image. Use file system tools, FSCK for Linux, CHKDSK for Windows, on a duplicated image to fix metadata. If that fails, run file carving tools like PhotoRec to extract content. Verify recovered files with checksums, then install a replacement drive and restore verified data. If recovery stalls, try a different imaging pass with smaller block sizes or more retries to coax marginal sectors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.